This is a documentary on how to make sugar cookies. Get 24 pounds of sugar and a gallon of lard, which transfers into 27 pounds. And this is how many cookies you can make. There are disadvantages to making cookies like this.
I don't know, it's like red dye we're putting in our bodies, and I don't think it's worth it. We're not very good at rolling out the dough.
Right.
I don't know what the secret
and
is.
another bad thing is there's no rum involved in this recipe at all.
No,
it's
well, you can have rum with the cookies afterwards, but anyway, these look like I don't know, it looks like a disaster, but we'll see when they come out of the oven.
Looks like a fantastic batch of sugar cookies to me. There they go into the oven.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Outstanding. What do you have to say about that?
The proof is in the pudding, or the cookie.
Okay.
We'll eat it.
Okay. Let me show the workplace over here. You just can't make cookies unless you really dive into it. This is what's left after I gave my attempt.